Hi everybody, Dr. Valerie Alikakos, your chiropractor nutritionist. Today I'm going to give you a health pearl, very good health information in 5 minutes or less, hopefully. So today I just want to talk about a little bit, generally speaking, what we can do with our lifestyle factors to ensure that we really ward off any type of illnesses. And this pertains to everything, any type of chronic illness or any type of infectious illness. And it's something that we don't really talk about or learn about or taught in this country so much, that our lifestyle factors could be very, very powerful and give us a huge protection against any of these type of illnesses. As a matter of fact, I often tell my patients that your lifestyle factors oftentimes can override your genetic factors. I'm going to say that again because it's a very powerful statement. Your lifestyle factors oftentimes override your genetic factors. So that means if you're predispositioned to get diabetes, cancers, any other illness that are genetically inclined, if you really watch your lifestyle factors and live a very good, healthy life, have healthy habits, oftentimes those genetic factors will not get expressed, and you can avoid coming down with those things that are genetically inclined. So it's very interesting, and it's very powerful information that we have a lot of control over our health. How empowering is that? That you really have a lot of control over your health and how your quality of life is. So there's a couple of things that are included in these lifestyle factors. And of course, it's diet is the main one. So we try to eat as little processed foods as possible. We want to eat a whole food diet, things that are out in nature and are in their original form. So vegetables, fruits, any vegetables you want to have them. Fruits, any fruits that you want to have, they're good to have, especially things like berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, any of those, very powerful, high in antioxidants. Lean, clean proteins, chicken, fish, meat, cheese, nuts, almonds, walnuts, beans, another beautiful lean, clean protein, high in fiber. Really great foods to have, and these are all in their original forms, and you can have them in any way that you want to prepare them. And also, you want to have grains. You can have whole grains, have them in the least processed form. So try to stay away from white grains and do the whole grains, the darker grains. But still keep the grains to a minimum because they do tend to increase our blood sugar, which is too involved to talk about here. So diet is a very big component, and also be careful of what you're ingesting by way of drinking. So stay away from sodas, stay away from sugary juices, opt for nice, beautiful waters, sparkling waters. You can flavor them with a little bit of regular, fresh juice, or you can do juicing, vegetable juicing, fruit juicing. If you're using the fruit and juicing it yourself, those could be very good, and you can dilute it with some vegetables so it's not that sugary. Sleep is very important also for health. It's when the body repairs itself. It's when the immune system really kicks in and gets to clear out things. So being rested is very important. So try to get enough sleep and good quality sleep. That's another lifestyle factor. Exercise is another huge factor that really helps us ward off any type of illnesses. These are not foolproof things, but studies have found that if we really have a clean lifestyle and we exercise and we eat right and we sleep well, and even if we expose ourselves to cold weather a little bit, in reasonable amounts, these really make us less susceptible to catching any of these viruses, bacterial infections, and even chronic illnesses. So that's pretty amazing. So deep breathing is also another really great way. Think about breath as your life energy. So, we tend to breathe very shallow up until the beginning part of our lungs only. So we really want to take a deep breath in, and, we can do segments of that, do a couple of minutes here, a couple of minutes there, and then be very conscious of a regular breath and try to make it a little bit more deeper than what we've been doing, because we've learned to breathe in a very shallow manner. So remember, breath is your life energy. So deep breathing, get air, oxygen. The body wants oxygen, a really great thing. And just lastly, I'm going to go through some vitamins. This is not specific advice for anybody, but it's just very interesting information. Please, anybody, if you want to start any vitamin regimens, just consult with your healthcare practitioner, especially if you have any type of conditions or if you're on any type of medications. But interestingly enough, in China, in the hospitals with the coronavirus, they were using a lot of vitamin C intravenously, and they were using a relatively small dose, 5,000 milligrams. And by small, I mean it's very doable to get 5,000 milligrams orally. So by taking supplementation, you don't want to take vitamin C orally at 5,000 milligrams unless it's the correct form, because it could cause stomach distress. And I'm sorry for the very unelegant conversation, but it's necessary. You'd be very mad at me if I didn't tell you. It can cause a lot of loose stool and bowel movements. So you want to get liposomal vitamin C. Liposomal vitamin C does away with that problem, and you can actually take 5,000 milligrams of liposomal vitamin C without having an issue. With any type of supplementation, always start slow, lower doses, and work your way up. So vitamin C is a great thing to have, and they're doing actual studies now on the coronavirus and vitamin C. Vitamin C is great for infections in general. We've known that for a very long time. It's also great for collagen production, so it beautifies the skin. That's another plus. Okay. Probiotics. People don't realize probiotics are very important because they are good for the gut. 80% of your immune system is in your gut. That's right. 80% of your immune system is in your gut, so you want to make sure that that system and the microbiome, as they call it, is in a really good shape. So a nice, beautiful probiotic, and it's a very soothing supplement to take. So probiotics are another very good immune support system. Vitamin D is also very important. It's an immune modulator. It modulates the immune system, so if the immune system is working on overdrive with autoimmune, it's very good. It'll quiet it down. If the immune system's low and we're getting sick, it'll bring it back up. Vitamin D is very important. You can ask your doctor for a quick blood test when you're getting your general blood work. Ask them to test your vitamin D and see what your levels are and take it from there. Zinc is another great thing to have because it's great for the immune system, and it also helps stop replication of viruses. And lastly, a very good immune supplement to take are mushrooms. They're very popular now. They have all sorts of mushrooms. They have beta-glucans, and they're very, very good for immune support. And also, it doesn't necessarily have to be mushrooms. There are other forms out there that are very powerful and very good, but anything with beta-glucans are really great to take. Always keep in mind, very important, the quality of your supplements, just like the quality of your food, just like you would get for your pharmaceuticals, just from anywhere. The quality of the supplements, either get them from your healthcare practitioner or go to your health food store and get supplements that are GMP certified. GMP certified. It's a stamp, it's a seal of approval, good manufacturing processing, and they've been tested, quality control for the quality of the supplements in FDA approved labs. So that's it for today. I went way over. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the information. I'll see you soon. Be well.